Southscope from the inception. May you please walk up. Shreya has had a long association with Southscope for the last 6 years since our inception. She's done several photo shoots with us. She's 2002 to now. She's starred with the biggest leading men of the South, whoever you can think of, and she still looks the way she does. So, thank you very much for being here, Shreya. You make us feel very special, and thank you for your support always. I would like Pushpanjali to say something.
Firstly, big thank you to Southscope. I think Boots as a brand has benefited greatly from this association. Boots stands for style, attitude, and everything that goes with the fashionable, glamorous life. And the Southscope calendar has been a very excellent sort of association that we've had for. This is the fourth year, I think, that we've been associated, and it's come out wonderful. I think all our viewers are going to really love the calendar, and the reception of the calendar is going to be excellent. So I think we can unveil the calendar if Shreya is ready. Yeah.
Vanaja's family. I've shared my deepest secrets with her, and I love her. I trust her with a lot of gossip, and I trust her with a lot of stories about my own life. So it's been a beautiful journey. I've known her for a very long time, and I love you for being who you are. She's just amazing, a writer and a wonderful friend and a novelist and a lot of things. Thank you for being here. It's fun to meet a fellow Delhiite. I'm sure Hyderabad is making you feel good and you don't have to wear your jackets here. And Southscope is always special, and thank you Southscope for having me here. It's always a pleasure, and I'm loving it.
Film magazine. There are several vernacular magazines covering specific language industries, but Southscope is the only English magazine that covers Telugu, Tamil, Kannada and Malayalam. And today we are one of the best, and Southscope calendar is a much coveted one in which the leading men and women of South Indian cinema are featured. This time we are very lucky to have Shreya with us, who will be unveiling it. Shreya, do the honors please. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for the dapper, the dashing, the debonair, the sensation of South India, the most stylish man walking on 2 feet in South India. Are you there, Vikram? Put your hands together for South India's sensational Chian Vikram. The dashing, dapper, debonair. I'm repeating myself, but still. Thank you very much. You've made them wait. Vikram, as all of you know, is the most experimental, most adventurous star of South Indian cinema, who has taken South Indian movies to a new level, and we're all very proud of him. And Southscope has been privileged and honored to be associated with him from day one. He was our cover person for the launch edition. Thank you very much for the honor and the privilege. He's easily one of the best actors in South India and the country, and he's made all of us proud. Thank you indeed for being who you are. Thank you for being a part of our lives. Thank you for making cinema so beautiful whenever you're on screen. He's probably the only guy who can fit multiple personalities in one frame and get away with it. He can be larger than life, he can be very close to life, he can just be life personified. So big hand for South India's sensational Vikram. Now you're seeing the couple who scorched the screen in Kandaswamy, also known as Mallanna in Telugu, and we are so proud to have both of them here to do the honors. And we are very lucky that the New Year special issue we have him on the cover, and we would love to have him do the honors. Vikram, would you say a few words?
I just want to take this opportunity to thank Lucky for doing some tremendous work at the shoot. Oh, he's there. Hi, Lucky. You're very lucky for me. He made me look good, and thank you, Lucky, for that. And I'd like to also mention Anu, who had Anu Burn, okay? Anu Merton, who I think was a kind of a revelation for me because it was such short notice. We were shooting in Bangalore. We wanted to shoot in the hotel there, in the Taj, and it was such a beautiful location. And she didn't know who I was, in the sense what size I was going to be in, but she just had, whether I was thin or plump or tall or short, I don't know, but she was a little confused, though she'd seen a couple of films. But when she did land up, and she just had about, like, let me say 2 hours or something, but she put together a very neat ensemble at such short notice. And thank you, Anu, and thank you, Lucky. And I'm glad you're recording all this to show your wife and children and all your girlfriends. We had a lovely time with the shoot, and it wasn't just being on the cover. It was about a beautiful experience, and I'm looking forward to more of it. I'd like to give the mic to the gorgeous, beautiful, once again, Shreya Charan, who's looking like a Roman princess right now. And all right, thank you guys. Do you want to say something? You thought you finished? You said. You want to say? You want to think? You took the idea from me, right? All right. Okay, just a second. You sure you want to make kurukla? Okay.
Looking super hot, huh, Vikram? Oh my god. But I also would like to thank my friend Shikha, who shot my pictures this time. She's amazing, she's wonderful. Thank you, Shikha, for being so nice. You are my sister from another mother, and I love you. Thank you. And we love you, Vikram.
Where's Shika? Alright. Because if she's...
Thank you everyone for being here. It's indeed a great privilege for us to have Vikram on the cover. He is one of the stars that we admire. Like Vanuja mentioned, we started off Southscope featuring him on the cover, and working with him on the shoot was fantastic. He was extremely cooperative, and really
I threatened her. She doesn't mention that I'm not
the entire Taj West End where we shot became Vikram's fan. Everybody wanted to take pictures with him. It was a hard time getting the shoot done because we were interrupted so many times by people wanting to take pictures. It was heartening to see so much goodwill for Vikram. And thank you, Shreya, for being here. You're looking lovely today. Thank you. And with Shreya, again, we've shot some of her best covers for Southscope. Vanuja spearheaded a lot of Shreya's covers. And we know she has a special place in her heart for Shreya because Shreya keeps getting featured on our cover. And Vikram, of course. So thank you so much for being here, Shreya. And Pushpanjali, thank you so much for making the calendar happen year on year. There are not many people who invest so much passion in a certain endeavor. Most people just start 1 year and then say, oh no, you know what, it's not. She is extremely passionate and extremely supportive. Thank you Pushpanjali for making this happen every single year.
Big round of applause for Southscope special January show featuring Shreya Vikram.
nice to have someone who's so young, who's so enterprising. You said everything beautiful. She said all the adjectives, but I think more than all of that, I think she's a very good human being. And I've had this from the time I've known her for the last couple of years, but this time after the shoot is when I really got to know that human side of her. And anytime I'm actually at the moment doing something, I'm sure you all know about the Chennai floods and what happened there. So I'm trying to do something very small, and I didn't have a clue about what to do and where to go, who to talk to. I just said I want to do this, and I just called her up for a doubt. You won't believe, she just stepped in. She said, I'll take care of this. Okay, you do the shoot, you do whatever. I'm doing this. I'm getting in touch with this guy. I'm doing this. Whatever needed to be taken care of, everything. And it's very difficult to find a person like that. And when I said, okay, I'll give you, can I give you credit? Can I have Ritz or Southscope mention? And she said, no, don't do that. I mean, I don't want any of that. How many people in the world would do that? I think that's amazing. No, but seriously, I mean, this is a PR event. This is an event to promote Southscope and Ritz and say what it stands for, which is very essential for any magazine in India, anywhere in the world. When that is the kind of platform we have to face every day. An opportunity like what I'm doing now is really good, where you can have your name mentioned, your company's name and your magazine. She said, no, I don't think that's necessary. Let's just tell me what needs to be done. I think hats off to you for someone so young. When I talk to my music director, when I talk to whoever I'm associated with, and I tell them, Aruna is doing this, Aruna spoke this, Aruna said this. They all thought Aruna was about 50 years old or 52 years old, and they're saying, oh, Apdiya. And she said, okay, do this, do that, do that. Then I said, actually, Aruna is a babe. They said, what? And so I'd like to take this opportunity, Aruna. I don't know if I'll have a chance to say it again. You are a whiz, you are an angel, a devil most of the time, but I'm so glad I got to meet you in this lifetime. Thank you very much. Thank you, and thank you, Vanuja, for being that. And Vanuja's known me for a long time, even longer than she knew Kandasamy, and they've traveled a lot together, and I'm so happy to be here this evening. And I think there's no better way to share a stage than to be with such beautiful people, and to be with Shreya again. I think it's been a long time. She's such good fun. Today now she's all poised and all elegant. She's very quiet, but she's one of the really fun people to have around, and it's always a joy to work with her. I'm so glad I met you. So thank you very much, guys, and thank you for still holding on even though we're talking all this while. And all right, I'll hand this mic over, and I'm not going to touch it again. So guys, have fun in whatever way you want to have. Exciting.
We have the calendars, please.
ఈ క్యాలెండర్ మేము లాంచ్ చేస్తున్నాము. అవును, అండ్ ఇది సౌత్ స్కోప్ క్యాలెండర్, అండ్ మంచి ఆర్టిస్ట్ ఉన్నారు దీంట్లో, అండ్ చాలా సంతోషంగా ఉంది ఇక్కడ ఉండడానికి. అండ్ థ్యాంక్ యూ సౌత్ స్కోప్ ఫర్ హ్యావింగ్ అస్ హియర్. ఇట్స్ రియలీ బ్యూటిఫుల్ టు బీ హియర్, అండ్ మీ అందరికీ నమస్కారం, థ్యాంక్ యూ అండ్ హ్యాపీ న్యూ ఇయర్. ఎందుకు సెలబ్రేట్ చేయాలంటే జీవితం సెలబ్రేషనే కదా, రోజు సెలబ్రేషన్, రోజు బర్త్డే, రోజు హ్యాపీ న్యూ ఇయర్. So I'm very happy, and I think that's how you face life. Resolution ante I think Chennaiలో చాలా damages, floods గురించి అందరికీ తెలుసు. So my resolution is, it's always been that అపరిచితుడు చేసిన తర్వాత ఎప్పుడూ కరెక్ట్గా ఉండాలి, ట్రాఫిక్లో కరెక్ట్గా ఉండాలి, డర్ట్గా ఉండకూడదు, అండ్ ఒక వాళ్ళకి కొంచెం రెస్పెక్ట్ ఇవ్వడానికి మంచి టైం ఇవ్వాలి. సో అది ఈ ఫ్లడ్స్ తర్వాత మేము ఒకటే తెలుసు, ఈ జన్మలో ఈ లోకంలో వేరే ఒక అతను ఉన్నప్పుడు ఐ థింక్ ఎవరు ఆర్ఫన్ కాదు, అందరూ ఎవ్రీబడి ఈజ్ రిలేటెడ్ టు ఎవ్రీబడి ఇన్ సమ్ వే, అండ్ ఐ థింక్ వీఆర్ ఆల్ బ్రదర్స్ అండ్ సిస్టర్స్ ఎక్సెప్ట్ ద బ్యూటిఫుల్ గర్ల్స్ ఆఫ్ కోర్స్. బట్
We can
so
see some new style on your hairstyle. So
అది వేరే
is it
పిక్చర్
something
కోసం,
like upcoming?
yeah, for my next film. Next film కోసం I'm doing something different again, so I hope you people like it.
మళ్ళీ శ్రేయ గారితో ఎప్పుడు కనిపిస్తారు?
శ్రేయ గారితో ఎనీ టైమ్ సూన్. ఇట్స్ శ్రేయ గారు అంత బ్యూటిఫుల్, అంత మంచి యాక్టర్, అంత ఫెంటాస్టిక్ డాన్సర్, అండ్ ఐ థింక్ ఎనీ హీరో వుడ్ లవ్ టు వర్క్ విత్ హర్. ఇట్స్ జస్ట్ సో I'm just waiting for a good script and the right script to work with, and we'll be working soon together. Happy New Year Andariki, Happy Christmas Andariki. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Southscope, for doing what you do the best. I love reading Southscope, always been my favorite. And Vikram, you're looking amazing, you're looking super hot.
Thank you.
And I love your picture. I mean, yeah, you're always my favorite. He's one of those actors who are brilliant to look at, and fantastic to work with. So and thank you for all the love. Thank you, Southscope, for having me on the cover. It's always fun to be associated with Southscope. Thank you. ఏం చేస్తున్నారో నాకు తెలీదు ఇప్పుడు, నిజంగా తెలీదు. కానీ ఐమ్ రీడింగ్ స్క్రిప్ట్స్, ఐమ్ ట్రైంగ్ టు ఫిగర్ అవుట్ వాట్ ఐమ్ డూయింగ్.
న్యూ రెజల్యూషన్ ఏంటి?
నా రెజల్యూషన్ లేదండి, ఐ డోంట్ బిలీవ్ ఇన్ రెజల్యూషన్స్. ఇట్స్ అందరికీ నూతన శుభాకాంక్షలు, అండ్ హ్యాపీ న్యూ ఇయర్, మేరీ క్రిస్మస్, ఎంజాయ్ దిస్ ఇయర్. Let's be there for each other, help each other, watch lovely movies, make lovely movies, and spread love, peace, and happiness. I just hope there's more peace, and they're happier people.
What is your Christmas spot?
అంటే చెన్నైలో ఫ్లడ్స్ కూడా వచ్చాయి, సో
ఎక్కడ జరుపుకుంటారు క్రిస్మస్ న్యూ ఇయర్?
Christmas, Bombay-lo, my nephew Dhruv, he's 9 years old, so we'll bake a cake together, and then we'll have a small Christmas party at home. All the kids come home, and it's a lot of fun. This year I think I'll take him for a movie, and so yeah, I mean every we in my house we celebrate every festival, from Christmas to Eid to Holi to Diwali, every festival. And Christmas is a lot more fun because we go to the church, and so I'm really looking forward to it. And yeah, thank you.
మన అమరావతి ఎన్నో సందర్భాలు నేను చెప్పడం జరిగింది. సాగర సంఘర్షణ జ్వలిత శబ్దోద్భవ మధుర శబ్దాలైన సరిగమ పదనీస మధుర పాటలు వినడానికి మరి ఎటువంటి దానికి దారి తారతమ్యములు కానీ
ఎస్పెషల్లీ రఘుబాబు ఇంకా సత్యకృష్ణ రొమాంటిక్ కామెడీ. అందంగా కనిపించే నడుముని కూడా బ్లర్ చేసేసే సెన్సార్ వాళ్ళు డీతో స్టార్ట్ అయ్యే అంత పెద్ద బూత్ని 2 సార్లు మ్యూట్ చేయడం ఎలా మర్చిపోయారో అర్థమే కాలేదు.